The people are painting or the people are singing or something. But this is amazing. Before, may want to like this, come here and sit down here in this place where there were grenades, bombs, even bombs under the bodies. And now can you see you are here? Even when you were in your country before and you say, I want to go to Colombia, and your family or your friends say, are you crazy? What happened with you? That place is so dangerous, please don't go. But you're here. My question is, how are you? Are you okay in Colombia? No problem. This is a real Colombia. This is a real Comuna 13. Hey guys, we need to change this mentality about Colombia. We need to change this. Maybe yes, I can understand. This place was very dangerous for a lot of years. Medellin was considered one of the most dangerous cities. And this community was considered one of the most dangerous neighborhoods in Medellin. Now can you imagine how was this place? It was crazy, it was impossible. But it's possible when you had hope and when you had dreams and you want to change. Everything is possible. Hey guys, my recommendation, my homework for you is please explain this in your country. Don't forget your homework, my students. Please don't forget that. Yes, I would like to see you again one day, and I would like to ask you, did you do your homework? Please don't forget that. Hey group, this is Colombia, this is Comuna 13. Welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you so much.